super fun nature walk. Come on! Let's see what amazing letters we can find.
A for the ant, crawling on the ground. B is for the bird, making a tweet tweet sound.